Welcome! This SwellPro tutorial video demonstrates the steps required to recalibrate the Spry Plus IMU sensor. Calibration of the Inertia Management Unit, or IMU, should only be necessary if the drone has been crashed or dropped accidentally and does not fly level even after gyroscope calibration, the aircraft is severely shaken during transportation, or the drone sways or drifts excessively during hover in GPS mode. Unlike the compass calibration, IMU calibration can be performed indoors. The IMU calibration is performed with the drone on a level, flat, stable surface. Preferably, use a phone level app or a spirit level to check that the surface is level. For a standard left-handed throttle setup, hold the left joystick up in the highest position and then fast flick the right joystick left and right continuously until initializing appears on the FPV screen. The drone will now perform the calibration. Do not move or disturb the drone during this process. When the initializing message disappears from the FPV display, the process is completed. Power off and restart the drone. Thanks for watching.